Hello there humans, I am Sarah and welcome to my channel. In this video I want to talk about why I failed in January, and when I say I failed, I mean it. I shot 2 initial videos earlier this year and my plan was not to stop after those 2. It was to make these videos on a regular basis, like weekly, bi-weekly, something like that. Unfortunately, that didn't work out. Part of it that I underestimated how much time and energy it will take, and part of it that my systems that help me do stuff did not work out. I think I will try to explain it on a whiteboard with feedback loop systems and stuff like that. It's been a while since I learned that stuff at university, but I think I can explain it on my situation. Okay. So, I will draw a box here and put myself in the box. Simple me is enough. Okay, so into this box goes stuff like I want to make video every week, I want to make myself a dinner every day, I want to write blog posts every week, and so on. And here is me, and something out of it goes to the next level. So this. So far so good, I hope. I can call myself a system, and like every system, I do have some sort of optimal working point. When I am at my working point, I am somewhere here, and if I add something on the input, like I want to also make myself a breakfast every day, and not just let's say cereal with milk, but something bigger like beans and bacon and egg. So my working point changes, and it goes here. I think that this is all clear, but what may not be clear is that at this point I have on the output something like this, and if I change to a little bit higher position, it can go also here, but it can also go down. This is not entirely unexpected, it's just how systems work. Sometimes they handle the pressure, sometimes they don't. Clearly, I did not handle the pressure that well, so this is the reason why I'm making this video. What can help is when we put some feedback loop to the system. And in this case, it would go from the output back to the input. Okay, I will change this a little bit to make a better circle. And I connect it here. This is a summation operator, but it is not positive summation operator. Because if it was a summation operator and there was a plus sign, it would go like this and up 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 until something would explode. So we need to have that negative stuff, and subtract what goes from the output from the input. So in stable system, it looks like in minus out is sort of a zero. It's not a complete zero, but that's at least the feedback loop, and it should work something like this. One thing that is also seen in feedback loops is some sort of box between the summation and myself and this or the system. I will call it C for controller. This controller is here to help when the input to the whole system changes. So if we have on the input something like this, it is not entirely desirable to have the same stuff on the output, because it can break the system in the process, and that's not exactly desirable. So what I want is something to have on the output something like this. So I can quite easily transition into a new state and build my working point from there. This C is, in my case, things like my bullet journal, my calendar, my to-do lists. I did not have those systems in January, but at the moment I think I have prepared at least something that gets me through to the next iteration, and it will help me also make more videos in the process. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!